Hey dear Vtu first semester students, hope you are all doing great, and I'm also expecting from your side you have started your preparation for your upcoming examinations. And as the exams are around the corner, I hope you have covered all the portions over there. Now it is the time for the revision itself. Okay, if you have not read anything, so this video is going to be very important for you. Today I have taken the model question paper, calculus and linear algebra. We will be solving here today the question number 1a. Show that ux plus uy is equal to u if u is equal to e power x plus y divided by e power x plus e power y. So the subject code is 1BMATS101. This is for 2025 scheme students. Let's solve this simple question over here, partial differentiation question. So first of all, you should be knowing what does this ux plus uy mean, right? So this is ux, it is nothing but dou u by dou x, means you have to differentiate u with respect to x, right? And what does this uy mean? This is uy, it is denoted by dou u by dou y. Then you have to differentiate u with respect to y. This is the meaning of this ux plus uy. So then once you differentiate this term and this term, you have to add this and you have to show this is equal to u. So u value is given e power x plus y divided by e power x plus e power y. Hope you have got the question over there. Right, now let us solve this. First of all, what we can do is we will differentiate u with respect to x first over here. Okay, so differentiate u with respect to x, over here. Okay, this is the first step. If you are lagging in the differentiation part, you can comment down so that we can make the basic video of differentiation over there so that you can have the better clarity. Okay, if you are already knowing how to differentiate the equations, how to differentiate the expressions, that no need to worry about. Okay, so just focus on the steps what we have to do. First we will do differentiation of u with respect to x. What is the u value? This e power x plus y divided by e power x plus e raised power y, means we will take this term ux is equal to dou by dou x of u is given, the value of u is given, that is e power x plus y divided by e power x plus e power y. This is the differentiation of u with respect to x we have to do. You know already the formula, like in the differentiation, u by v rule. First of all, we just make v as it is, differentiation of u, right, minus u as it is, differentiation of v. So differentiation of v divided by v square. This is the formula for u by v rule. So here we have u in the form of u by v. We will differentiate accordingly. So ux is equal to this is here the u condition. Okay, this is u and this term is v, right? So accordingly you have to differentiate here with respect to formula v du minus u as it is, differentiation of v divided by v square. First of all, we will keep this v as it is. So what is the v value? That is e power x plus e power y as it is, differentiation of u multiplied by differentiation of u. So u term is e power x plus y. What is the differentiation of e power x? We can consider this as whole term as x. So differentiation of x is, differentiation of e power x is e power x, but here in terms of x we have here x plus y. Are you getting my point? I'm telling you, like x plus y, you can consider this whole term as x. Okay, so it is e power x. Differentiation of e power x is always e power x, but x value is x plus y. That is why I'm writing here e power x plus y will be the differentiation of this term, right? Now minus u as it is. What is the u value? That is e power x plus y, right? Differentiation of v multiplied by differentiation of v. What is the v value over here? E power x plus e power y. So differentiation of e power x is e power x plus e power y. So we are differentiating here with respect to x. So here y term is present, so it is differentiation will be 0. We will not consider this e power y in terms of x differentiation over here. Okay, so this is the differentiation for this much divided by v square. What is the value of v? So it is e power x plus e power y whole square we are getting, right? I hope you are getting my point. Now ux is equal to, see, bases are same, powers are added. When you are just multiplying this term, So e power x into e power x plus y, you will get e power x plus x is 2x. Just because bases are same, powers are added. X plus x is 2x plus y, right? Plus e power y into e power x plus y, we will get e power y plus y, that is 2y. So 2y plus x. I hope you are getting my point over here. Okay, so this is the multiplication of this term with this term and this term with this term, right? Minus e power, see, bases are same, powers are added. X plus x is 2x and y is already there, divided by e power x plus e power y whole square. Now we will just simplify the terms over here. See, this is e power 2x plus y, this is e power 2x plus y. So this term and this term will get cancelled. What we are left with? So e power 2y plus x divided by this term e power x plus e power y whole square. So this we are getting for ux. Now we have to differentiate this u with respect to y. So let us do it over here. So I will take here uy is equal to dou by dou y of u value is already here, e power x plus y divided by e power x plus e power y. Okay, this is differentiation of u with respect to y. See, here you can do two things. First of all, go through accordingly what I have done here itself, differentiate thoroughly, okay, as per u by v rule. But since these are, interchangeable, this is ux plus uy, so x and y are interchangeable, you can directly write down here the answer like uy is equal to, see, ux you are getting e power 2y plus x. Here I can write down uy is equal to e power 2x plus y divided by e power x plus e power y whole square. Okay, this is the short trick over here. Otherwise you can go thoroughly, you can differentiate it with respect to this formula u by v rule, but in the examination it can save your time. So you can do here is uy is equal to e power 2x plus y divided by e power x plus ey whole square. Here we have 2y, here you have to take 2x opposite, right? Plus here we have x, here we have to take y divided by this term will be same. Okay, you can also differentiate it, you don't need to be worried about. If you just practice it, you will get accordingly through this procedure, you will get this answer. Okay, so this is your uy value. Now what is the demand of the question? That is ux plus uy is equal to u, we have to prove it. So first of all, we will do summation of this ux plus uy. Ux already we have here, I can write down e power 2y plus x divided by e power x plus e power y whole square, and I have to do addition plus this uy value, that is e power 2x plus y divided by e power x plus e power y whole square, right? Now do addition. Simply this term is same, you can take it common. I can write down here e power x plus e power y whole square as common and do addition of this. So e power 2y plus x plus e power 2x plus y. Okay, this is the term I am left with. Now let's solve it over here in the next page so that you can get the clarity over here. Okay, so first of all, see, we have here 2y plus x, here we have 2x plus y, means 1y is already here, 1y is already here, 1x is already here, 1x is already here. I will take the term common over here, that is e power y plus x, I will take common. What I am left with? E power y. See, if you just multiply it again, you will get bases are same, powers are added, you will get 2y plus x. I hope you are getting my point, right? Then plus from here I have also taken the common term, that is y plus x. I am left with e power x over here. Okay, once you just multiply it, you will get bases are same, powers are added. X plus x is 2x plus y, you will get again this term, right? Now divided by e power x plus e power y whole square. See, we have here e power x, e power x, e power y, e power y. Here we have square, so one term will get cancelled with this square. What we are left with? So we will get e power y plus x divided by e power x plus e power y. We are getting here ux plus uy. So we are doing only the summation of these terms ux plus uy. We are getting this value. I can also write down it as e power x plus y divided by e power x plus e power y. So see, this e power x plus y divided by e power x plus y, sorry, e raised power x plus e raised power y, we have here, that is u is equal to e power x plus y, e power x plus y. We are here getting e power x plus y, e power x plus e raised power y. That is nothing but u value. So here you have proved that is ux plus uy is equal to u. This was the whole question, and it is too much simple if you are practicing and if you are getting how to do the differentiation as per the u by v rule over there. Okay, if you are already aware of that particular rule, so this is the cakewalk for you. Okay, you can easily solve this question in the examination without losing any marks. I hope you have got some idea how to solve these type of questions. Okay, make sure you will practice a lot of varieties on this particular topic apart from the model question paper. Okay, it is not necessary VT will give you the same model question paper in the upcoming examination. So make sure you should practice at least 5 to 6 questions on this particular topic over there. Okay, so this is all about today's video. I wish you all the best for your examinations. Make sure you will share this video to all your friends and batchmates who are struggling with the mathematics subject. Thank you.